everyone, happy Sunday. So guys, we are going to be doing unboxing. Yes, so let me go ahead and open it. Let's see what we have in there. Yes, so this was supposed to come before Valentine, no, but it didn't. I don't know what happened, it didn't come, but thank God we have it here now, so that is what matters. Let's see what we got in there. Ooh, look at the bag, guys. This is another tripod, filming lights. Yes, so selfie stick tripod. Yeah, you guys see it, selfie stick tripod. I saw this on advert, so and I love it. I decided to add it. I already have about 3. This one is going to make it 4. In case when I'm going out, I'm going to work, I want it to be very easier for me. So this one came with lights. That was the reason I went for this one. It came with 2 lights. As you guys can see over here, it came with 2 lights. 2 lights. Jesus, one of the lights just fell. So this is exactly the one that I'm using to do this video. So the amazing part of it is the light. That it came with. Let me show you guys. So let's see the light that came with it. This is one of the lights. Yes, this is the reason why I bought this tripod. I already had before, but the reason I got this one was because of this light. Yeah, it came 2. So those 2 lights, you just need to fix it. This is how it looks. Here is the other one. The other one is here. Let me bring out the other one. Yeah, this is it. So this is 2 different lights. So I'm going to look for how I'm going to plug it in, because I need to read the manual first of all before I can know how to plug it, to put it on the tripod here. So let's see. According to them, it says this is exactly the one I have before. Yeah, as you guys can see, it's very, very long. I think it's about 170 or 180. Yeah, where I'm 165. This one, you can see that this one is even more taller than me. Yeah, so that is it for this one. So I'm going to read the manual. I'm going to take my time to read the manual. And it also came with charger. There's a little bit of charger in there. So this is how it's supposed to look at the end. After I have fixed it, this is how it's supposed to look. The 2 lights will be there and the tripod. Yeah, so to make everything easier and very simple for me. So my people, I'm just going to bring it down like this. So I'm going to take the manual, which is this is the manual that came with it. So I'm going to read it very carefully, then know how to fix it. Let me see, there's another thing. No, nothing else. So that is it. So I'm going to take my time, read it, and see where I'm going to put the lights, each of the lights. So this one can turn into 360. Wow, why is it that the other one I have cannot turn into 360? Maybe it was not properly fixed, because this one, I have exactly this one. Let me show you guys the one I bought before. So I have this is it. This is the one I have before. Exactly. So but this one did not come with light. This one did not come with light. This is it. This is the one I have before. I don't know why it doesn't turn into 360 just the way that, because when I'm recording, I would have loved it to turn very well, but this one doesn't turn. This is the one I have before, and this one is the one that came now. They both of them are exactly, there's no difference. But one thing I'm seeing here is that this one is maybe I can adjust it here. Okay, it was me that was not adjusting it. Yeah, so I can adjust it here to, you know, to make it more flexible. Okay. Oh, so I can adjust it to go like this and also to go like this. Okay, that's good, that's good. So we learn every day. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Catch you guys on my next upload. Until then, remain blessed and stay blessed. Bye guys. I didn't show this is it, this is it guys. I was just touching it. So you can decide to, you know, press the light to your desirable, you know. You guys see this? Oh my goodness, instead of carrying my big ring light here and there, so with this I can just, you know, adjust the light, you know, to the brightness I want. You guys see that? Yes. Then all I need to do is just to put my phone. I am good to go. Wow, I love this. I love this. I love this. Yes. Yes, did you guys see that? Wow, this works so good, eh? I'm just typing my code. So all I need to do now is just to open it and begin to film and say, hello everyone, this is Beauty on live video. This is Beauty. This is my recipe of this kind of. Wow guys, I'm so happy. Yes, I'm super happy. Thank you guys so much. Bye.